In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Moomoo to Tradingview. By the end, you'll have your brokerage linked so you can place trades directly from your Tradingview charts with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the Tradingview website. Sign in to your Tradingview account so you can access your charts and trading tools. If you land on the home page, navigate to any chart. This is where connections are managed. It helps to keep a stable internet connection and close extra tabs so everything loads quickly. Once your chart is open, make sure you are in a layout you are comfortable with, since you'll be enabling trading from this screen. Next, look toward the top right of the chart page and click the Trade tab. This opens Tradingview's trading panel, the area where all supported broker connections live. If the panel doesn't appear immediately, give it a second to load. You can also resize your chart if you need more space to see the panel clearly. Now, let's find Moomoo. In the list of supported brokers, look for the Moomoo icon. If you don't see it right away, click the option to see all brokers, so the full list expands. You can scroll through the list until Moomoo appears. If it still doesn't show up, refresh the page and try again, as the list may take a moment to populate. Make sure you are on the chart page, since that's where Tradingview exposes the broker directory. Once you've located Moomoo, click it and choose Connect. Tradingview will open a secure window to begin the authorization process. This is normal and ensures your account details are handled securely. You may see a brief description of what permissions are being requested. This is the standard way Tradingview and your broker communicate so orders and account data can sync correctly. Finally, log into your Moomoo brokerage account within that secure window to authorize the connection. Enter your credentials carefully and complete any additional verification prompts if you are asked. Never share your login details with anyone, and only enter them in the official Moomoo authorization window that Tradingview opens. After you confirm, the window will close and Tradingview should indicate that you are connected. You'll typically see your broker status update and an order panel appear that's tied to your Moomoo account. If the connection doesn't appear right away, refresh the chart page and check the trading panel again. Most issues resolve with a quick reload or by signing back in. That's it, your Moomoo account is now connected to Tradingview, and you are ready to trade from your charts.